YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. So today's menu is AnneBetty's chicken and egg wraps. I'm going to finish it off in the Ninja Foodie. And you know the kids are back to school, and I don't know about your children's school if you've got kids, but mine's at school. They give them, if he's having lunch in school, it's only sandwiches now because of Corona. It's only sandwiches. So parents, if you want to give your kids healthy meal, I think you should give them packed lunch, because every day, 5 days in a week, the children are having sandwiches for their breakfast. So I'm going to give you quick recipes you can give your children, packed with nutrients, because the virus is still around, but if you boost your immune system, you are secured. So let's give healthy meals to our kids. So I'm going to do some vegetables. I've got grilled chicken. I did this in the foodie, and it's got this aromatic flavor, as if I did it with charcoal. It's beautiful. I've got some mushrooms and some peppers, which I'm going to saute. Some egg. So you can either have chicken, or like I said, chicken and egg, or chicken or egg, because I'm going to do one with just the egg, one with just chicken. So let's cook. I'm heating my frying pan, and I use rapeseed oil. If you are using olive oil, you shouldn't cook it. Olive oil is when you are tossing your salad, you shouldn't cook it. Cooking is rapeseed oil, because when you heat rapeseed oil, it doesn't become a trans oil. I've promised I'm going to teach you all about oils and what they become when heated. Some become poisonous. So I promise I will bring that to you. So I'm heating this up a bit, then I'll saute. You can do this in the foodie, but I'm going to do it here quickly. But next time we are going to do everything in that. I'm doing it here just so if you don't have your foodie yet, start saving towards your foodie. You can do all the mushrooms and the peppers together, but I like my vegetables al dente. I want a bite to it. I don't want them soggy. I need a bite to it, so I'm doing it separately, and I'll do the mushrooms separately so they still have a bite to it. A quarter teaspoon of AnneBetty's mixed herbs, and a pinch of salt. That's done. A dash of oil, then in goes my mushrooms. I don't like overcooking my vegetables. I like a bite to my vegetables. Yeah, a bit more oil, a bit of butter. A quarter teaspoon, no, not a quarter, about 1 egg. A pinch of salt. And I like a bit of toasted sesame oil. So it's done. I'm just taking it off just to give it that flavor. So that's done. So I've got this wrap. It's made with linseed, poppy seed, and extra virgin olive oil, and this is plain one, so you get a bit of both worlds. And you can use any sauce you like. I love to use the green chili sauce, but today I'm using mayo and sweet chili sauce. I'll put the link in the description button if you don't know about the green chili sauce, or any sauce you like. Then some salad. Sometimes I use spinach, any salad or any leaves. You can use lettuce. This is the grilled chicken. Top it up with mushrooms, some peppers. Let's boost the immune system of our kids, and they'll be fine. They'll sail through this pandemic. But eat healthy to stay healthy. So I'm going to fold it up. You fold the side, and you try to push the filling in and there. So when it goes in the grill, it goes flat like that. And now I'm going to do the eggs. So it can be the chicken or egg. So I'm going to fry my egg, and we wrap that up as well. So for the egg, I'm still using the same wrap. Both of them. My sauces. So that as soon as the egg is done, I just go some and the chili sauce. So this is very optional, but when you do it this way, it's lovely. Or like I said, the green chili sauce or any other sauce you prefer. Salad. The salad and some peppers. I'll fry the egg, put it on it and wrap it up. Some butter. It makes it really, it gives it this flavor, butterish flavor. And I put just a dollop of rapeseed oil, just so the butter doesn't burn. And in goes my eggs, fried eggs. I'm just sprinkling it with the AnneBetty's dry herbs, then a bunch of salt. How you salt your eggs, yeah? So just a bit. And if you like sunny side up, then it means it's done. If you're like me and you like your eggs well done, you just flip it over. It's done. Eggs done. So it just goes on the wrap, and I fold it up. So when you're folding, you just push it backwards to get everything intact. And there it goes. I'm going to grill it in my foodie, but I cover it. I don't like too much washing. So any quick tip to help me save my time for washing, I covered this up. And in it goes. Like that. And the wraps come on top. One is the egg, so let me put it here so I don't mix them up. And that's the chicken. And I put this side down so it will seal up. Hello people, it's done. I forgot to say that it's just 4 minutes for the total cooking time. It's done. And it's crispy. You hear the crackling sound? It's ready. So that's the one made with the egg. So imagine giving this to your child for his lunch. His or her lunch. I've got a son, so get used to it. I'll be saying his a lot. That's what I'm used to. And that's the chicken. Look at that. So people, there you go. Chicken or egg wrap. And this is packed with so much goodness. It's got mushrooms. Mushrooms. We get so much goodness in mushrooms. I'll do a video on mushrooms alone. Peppers, the salad, the chicken. So let's give our children healthy meals to boost their immune system, and Corona will be small child's play. Thank you for watching. Ciao.